Hey there, welcome back to Lunnovate's free programming bootcamp. In this video, we are covering a lot from setting up your coding tools to writing your first real logic using Python. So let's get into it.
Okay, first thing first, let's get your environment ready. You can use Geany or VS Code, but I would recommend you using Geany because it's beginner friendly, it's lightweight and perfect for focused learning. So before you start programming with a particular language, you need to install the language onto your system. So for Python, we head to python.org. Okay, then you choose the operating system you're using. I'm using a Windows, so I'll go directly for this, and you can see it has already started downloading. Then for Geany, if I go ahead and search for Geany, okay, geany.org, okay, I'll just click download here. Okay, this is the right file. If you are using a Windows, you just click this and it will start downloading. This is for 64 bits. For Mac, you choose either one of these. Okay, I'm using this because it's perfect for my system to start downloading. As you can see, it's downloading. Python has already finished downloading. Okay, as for Visual Studio Code, I can just type in VS Code. Okay, it's open. Once it opens, I don't know why this is downloading twice. Okay, so here you can just download. If you are using Windows, you can directly click on this and it will download for Windows. I already have it, so there's actually no need for me to reinstall it again, download it again. So this is the page for downloading the Visual Studio Code. If I click for Windows, and you see it has started downloading. If you install Geany and open it, this is the interface you will see. This is how you will see it. So go ahead and start coding. So write our first program. Which is print, sorry, print okay, and we save, Control S. Right, so open my command prompt to choose R go to that directly, cd, and alright, so you can see it has done what we wanted it to do, which is to actually print hello. If I should add something, let me add something here. Save it. See, it has done it again. Right, now let's talk about variables. Variables are like containers that we store data in. Okay, so let's improve our code by adding some variables. I'll just take this down. I'll name a variable name, give it a name. Okay, let me give it a human name. Let's use John. Okay, age equals to, let's say John is 20. Height, say his 6.5, you know, this is 1.5, yeah, 256. This is a float. Okay, see if okay, so let's just explain what we just did here. Okay, created 4 variables. The first one is name, the second one is age, and the third one is height. The last one is a boolean. A boolean actually takes two values, which is it's either true or it's false. So in this case, the variable is to store whether the person is a student or not. So here the value is true, so the person is a student. Okay, for height, um taking the his height is 1.56. This is a float. His age is 20. 20 is an integer, and his name, which is John, is a string. Okay, So we can actually print them in a manner. Later in the live session, we'll discuss about other um, data types that we have. This is the data type, this string is a data type, integer is a data type, float is a data type, boolean is a data type. Then variables, name, age, height is a student, um, is all variables, and these are the data that are being stored in the variables. It is John 21.56 and 2. Name here stands as the variable name, the name for a variable which I will use to locate the name John. So in that case, if I were to print, sorry, say print name, print age, save it and come here and rerun our program. Just hit so it printed everything that we asked it to print. The name, which is John, that's the value that we saved under the variable name called name, right? And age, same, just 20 and thereabouts. Now let's introduce a little logic to our program. We'll check some things. Okay, for then let me do something smart and clear this up and make it to be in one sentence. Okay, say hello world. save that. Let's rerun it and see. Okay, so now we have made it smartly, made a sentence out of the data that we had. Ask it to um, print everything together. It said, "Hello world, my name is John. I am 20 years old with a height of 1.6." Okay, okay. So back to the logic. So we wanted to print something out if the age is, let's say, above 18. So since we have already defined our age, say if age is greater than or equals to 18, then print okay, else okay. So this is the logic we have added. We want to see what it will do. Okay, I want to show you what it will do after the logic. It is going to check for the age and see if the age is above 18, it will print adult, and if the age is below 18, it will print minor. So let's run and see. Okay, so you see it's printed adults because the age we stored, which is 20, is above 18. If I were to reduce it to, let's say, 2, save it and rerun it. Okay, see it's printed minor and the age here changed to 2. So with this, I believe you understand the concept of variables and a little bit of logic. There are some things that you might have noticed is the fact that this space that was given after I clicked enter, this is called indentation. The block under this statement will only function if this statement is true, else the statement under this else will run actually. So if I were to tick this code, this line, cut it and actually print it here. Okay, save my program, and okay, let me take back my age to like 22. Save it and rerun my program. Okay, it will just print, "Hello all, my name is John. I am 22 years old with a height of 1.656." So I believe you understand a little bit about this concept. We'll discuss deeper in the live session.